Winnipeg homeowners, is your AC blowing warm air, making strange noises, or leaking water? Perhaps it's struggling to keep your home cool during our hot summers. This video will show you the most common AC problems and what you can check before calling for a repair. At the Duct Stories Heating and Cooling, we provide fast, reliable AC repair services across Winnipeg. Our trusted HVAC technicians diagnose issues quickly and fix them the right way, ensuring your comfort. Let's dive into the top AC problems in Winnipeg homes, starting with weak airflow. Next, we'll discuss frozen coils, a common culprit for inefficient cooling. Thermostat issues can often be a simple fix. We'll show you what to look for. Don't overlook clogged filters. They can significantly impact your AC's performance. Refrigerant problems require professional attention, but recognizing the signs can save you hassle. Finally, we'll cover outdoor unit failures and what to observe. These simple checks can help you avoid breakdowns and improve your cooling performance. Keep your home comfortable during Winnipeg's hot summer days with these tips. If your AC still isn't cooling after these steps, our team is ready to help. The Duct Stories offers professional AC repair, cooling system diagnostics, and full HVAC service for residential and rental properties across Winnipeg.